Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your PlayStation 5 from a USB drive. So if it broke or something like that and you lost all your data, if you had one of these drives and you put the data on it, you can restore it very easily by going to where it says System, System Software, Backup and Restore. So you can go to Restore now and your file should be on the USB drive. Just select it and it should restore it. Now to make a restore, point, go to backup your PS5, plug in your USB drive, and then it's going to say please wait for a while. You probably just press O after a certain amount of times if it doesn't do anything. And it should allow you to bypass it. And then you can see in the background, I can store games to my USB drive, save data, screenshots, and settings right there. So it says please wait, and it just takes a long time for some reason. So I can press O, see if that works. No. So once you're able to do it, it might take like a minute or two. So just leave this on the please wait. And then you can select whatever you want over to your USB drive. And then if you're copying a bunch of games, it's going to take a long time. So if you copy like 3 or 4 games, expect it to take, a few hours to transfer everything over. That's why I don't even bother with this. I usually just do my save data. But if you have PlayStation Plus, it will upload your save data to the cloud. So doesn't really matter for me. I just pay that 50 or 60, well, I think it's $80 a year now. But let's see if this will work. Nope, it's not working. And then go over to restore and you should be good to go after that. So if you don't have PlayStation Plus, this is probably a good thing to do every like once a week or something, once a month. Just back everything up, your save data to your USB in case you lose everything. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.